Hey everyone, my name is Matilda and welcome back to my channel. I was getting ready for 21st and was planning on doing a colourful look inspired by these looks by Stacey Marie MUA, who is an amazing makeup artist on Instagram and does some beautiful cut creases and colourful looks. Definitely check her out if you're in need for some makeup inspo. Anyway, this is a look that I came up with reference to her looks, and I love how it came out and how it's a different way to do a smoky eye. So if you want to see how I went from the left to the right, then just keep on watching. First up, I'm priming my lid and cancelling out any discoloration with some concealer and also setting that down with some powder. For my first transition shade, I'm taking a light pink and fluffing that all over the crease. I'm then going in with a bright hot pink and doing the same. With a bright colour like this, I'm starting off quite light-handed and slowly building up the intensity so that it's easier to blend out. I wanted to make sure that you could still see the pink underneath all of the colours, so I took it up pretty high in the crease. I'm then going in with this bright purple a little bit lower than the pink so you can still see the pink underneath. And don't mind me chatting on the phone here. I'm basically just applying the purple in the crease and outer corner with a big pencil brush and slowly building up the intensity. To increase the intensity in the outer corner and outer crease even further, I added some blue to make a darker purple. I'm then applying the black with a flat shader brush just to the lowest part of my lid. You really don't want to apply the black too high because it'll just get black absolutely everywhere. I'm then putting the blue over the top to tone down the black a little bit and blend the edges of the black out into the other colours. I'm then applying some glitter glue and first taking this navy blue glitter as a base, and then over the top I'm taking this peacock blue to really brighten up the look. Before lashes, I'm taking a little bit of black gel liner on my lash line just so that the band will blend in more seamlessly. So after mascara and lashes, let's move on to the base. I'm first taking Porefessional and applying that to the areas where I have larger pores and some skin texture. I'm then taking the Stila One Step Correct all over my face to cancel out my redness. For foundation, I'm using my Fenty Beauty foundation mixed with the Cover FX Illuminated Drops in Sunlight and applying that all over the face and neck with a buffing brush. For my concealer, I'm of course using my Maybelline Master Conceal in Light and applying that in all the areas I usually highlight. I'm blending that out with some different sized buffing brushes to suit where I need to blend the product. I'm then setting the face with some Mercier loose translucent powder. For bronzer, I'm using my fave Too Faced Sweethearts bronzer and adding a bit more dimension by contouring with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I kind of got the bronzer a little bit everywhere, so I'm just adding the brightness back to my face in the areas we highlighted and cleaning up the contour a bit with some more powder. For blush, I'm taking a warm light pink and applying that to the apples of the cheeks and up to the cheekbone. I didn't want it to be too intense of a colour as it would have competed a little bit too much with the eyes. For highlight, I wanted to be pretty sparkly to match the eyes, so I went for Glow Getter from the Col Guerrero ABH palette and put that in all my usual highlighting places. Now back to the eyes to finish off the lower lash line. I'm first taking the light orange from the Huda palette and applying that pretty smoked out in the lower lash line. Pretty much over the top of that, I'm taking the hot pink and smoking that out quite far down as well. To deepen up the lash line and make sure it matches the intensity of the lid, I'm smudging some purple there as well, but a little bit closer to the lash line this time. I'm then making sure this is all blended together with some more of the light orange on a fluffy brush. Finally, on a tiny pencil brush, I'm taking some of the blue along the lash line as well and a teeny bit of the black right into the outer corner to marry the dark shades on the lid to those on the lower lash line. After some mascara, I'm taking this purple pink duochrome on the inner corner for that pop of colour. Apart from the glitter, this is what I loved most about the inspo images as I think it ties the galaxy vibes of the shadow all together. Before I forget, which I definitely have done before, I'm filling in my brows with my ABH Soft Brown Brow Powder, say that 10 times fast, and setting them down with some brow gel. For lips, I'm taking my Gerard Cosmetics lip liner in Nude and topping that off with my ABH Undressed lip gloss. After I've doused myself in setting spray, I'm going to finish off my hair and put on my dress. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. It was a bit different for me as I always stay in my warm-toned comfort zone, but it's definitely inspired me to play with colour a bit more. Let me know if there are any specific colours or inspo photos you would like me to base a look around. I would be more than happy to do that for you. Thank you so much as always for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see some more from me, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!